Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video, as you can see, we will be unboxing Sounds Fishy. This is a game for age 10 plus, and it takes 4 to 10 players, and it also includes 20 bonus questions. It's from Big Potato Games. So, can you spot the fake answers? Sounds Fishy is a party game filled with strange questions and fishy answers. Win points for spotting the fake answers invented by the other players, but flip over the real answer too soon and you'll lose all of your points. Can you spot the fake answers to this question? Give it a go. South Dakota, where is it illegal to fall asleep? In the bath, a cheese factory, or on a horse? Well, I would say a cheese factory, because it says so there. It does actually tell you the correct answer. Just why would you fall asleep in a cheese factory? And why is it illegal to do so in South Dakota? Weird. Ah well. Right, so let's try and prize this up. The sellotape on this has gone really weird because of the heat. It's not looking good. Oof. Right, so there we are. Let's turn this over and see what's inside. Okay, we have a sticker for Big Potato Games. Nice. We have a rule book. Let's pop this to one side. There we are. There's your rules. Guesser takes out a question card, holds it up so the other players can see the answer on the back and reads the question aloud. Make sure all the other players can clearly see the answer but not the guesser. Once the guesser's read the questions, the red herrings have 15 seconds to invent a fake answer. The true blue kipper pretends to invent an answer even though it's the real one. Going around the table, each player now gives their answer. So you do your guesses. Blah, blah, blah. And tells you how many points there are here, and tells you how the points are worked out, and tells you how they'll win. It also gives gives conditions for 4 to 5 player game or 6 to 10 player game. Then here you got the aim, you got the setup, and that's about it really. So you've got the setup here, then the aim and the overview, and then when you open it up, I'd have thought that page should be there and works that way, but oh well, never mind. Bit weird. Right, let's go back to the box. We have these. We have lots and lots of these. Okay, so first off, fishies. This is the front of the card. That is the back of the card. So we have all these red herrings. And then we have this one blue kipper, or whatever it may be. That's the one who has to give the right answer. And then we give scoring tokens, 10 points. We have the silver 5 points, as you can see there. And we have another few boards, but these boards continue the 5 pointers. And then we have a lot of 1 point tokens. So there we go. There are the tokens. And now we have the cards. I'm not going through any of these. So we have this pack, we have this pack, and we have the pack that's in here. So, as I said, I don't want to go through any of these because it's sort of like could defeat the purpose of the object of playing this game. But you have the question on this side, so this is the one that the person asking the question would read. On the other side you would have the answer to it, so that everybody else can see that. Let's open this because it's very very tight, so I can't really do much about it. So again, let's say we'll have a look at one. So that is what the person asking the question would see. Everybody else would see that side. So there we are. That's all the cards are going to be. I'm not going through them all because, as I said, it would totally destroy the idea of playing the game by doing that. So you get one and that's it. So there we are. It's a short and sweet unboxing, I know, but there we go. As I say, we have 20 extra boxes. Sorry, 20 extra questions for this. And we have all these tokens to use. And they're quite thick as well. They're not flimsy tokens either. So that's good. We could actually keep them in these boards. The rules look easy to follow. It's family friendly and adult friendly, so it says on here. Yeah, looks a fun game to play. So we may get a board games night video done of this. Depends on when we can get a games night organised. But as I said, that's it for Sounds Fishy. You get one real answer and a sea of red herrings. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.